So the test I was rushing off to meet with, I missed it like you saw in the video. And I was also supposed to see my project supervisor today, but I could not meet up because I ran off from the cyber cafe. So why when I came back, I went back to the cyber cafe to meet the guy. I was thinking he already did the corrections before I came back, only for me to get there and see that he had done nothing. And then the corrections he was even trying to do were just so much. I don't know, the words were clustered together. If you know anything I could do to stop my project work from clustering together, because I actually type and edit it on my phones before taking it to the Spark Cafe, please tell me in the comment section below so that I will do it. I'm tired. I'm so stressed. I'm so tired now. Student is something else. I don't know. Like, it's so busy, so choked. I don't know, maybe because I'm trying to do other things, I'm trying to include other things, or maybe I should just concentrate on school. I've been thinking lately if I should quit YouTube and just concentrate, or quit business, quit everything and just concentrate on school. But guys, please tell me what you think in the comment section below. I don't know what to do. Like, I feel so stressed, and I'm just trying to do other things in my life because I'll still go back to the cyber cafe this evening to continue with the project work. And when I came back, I got some customers that came to check out my goals and all that good stuff. So my day was not really that bad.